This is a certified pre-owned 2011 BMW X5, a drive and shape that provides endless luxury. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a technology package, a convenience package, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, BMW Assist, comfort access, a power moonroof, heated seats, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: commercial-free satellite radio, roof rails, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, BMW individual composition, front side impact airbags, steering wheel memory settings, 4-zone climate control, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 37,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.